And the MVA, that's the alliance partners in Maharashtra, held a press conference in a show of unity. This after reports of there being discord among the alliance partners. So there you can see all the leaders, top leaders there addressing this press conference, also thanking the people of Maharashtra for the huge success that they got in the recent Lok Sabha elections. Also saying Uddhav Thackeray said that this alliance will continue. Now it's just the beginning and it will continue, thereby confirming that there will be an alliance for the upcoming assembly elections. Let's go across to Paras for more. And Paras, so all top leaders of the MVA there jointly addressing this press conference, thanking the people of Maharashtra for their great showing in the recent Lok Sabha polls, also saying they're going to continue for the assembly polls.
Rightly said, Gargi, this was not a press conference. This was probably a show of strength by Mahavikas Aghadi, because this Lok Sabha election, how they has performed is it's very, very different, because we had seen from last few years the political scenario in Maharashtra was very critical, and after that Mahavikas Aghadi was becoming a very difficult party to catch. But right now what situation has occurred in Lok Sabha election is that the Mahavikas Aghadi has been a strongest contender for Bharatiya Janata Party and Mahayuti in Maharashtra. So today the press conference was organized by the Mahavikas Aghadi. All three big faces of Mahavikas Aghadi, Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, Balasaheb Thorat and Prithviraj Chauhan was there. The Congress Maharashtra Adhyaksh Nana Patole was not present because he is out on tour, so that's why he was not present. But all four big faces of Mahavikas Aghadi was present here. They had thanked the people of Maharashtra for the voting. They want change as per the Uddhav Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray has said that Maharashtra people want changes in the government, because the government has given lot of sadness and lot of pain to Maharashtra people and the people of Mumbai and the Maharashtra. So change was very much needed, and the performance which has been done by the Mahavikas Aghadi in Lok Sabha election is a time to change everything. Also speaking, Sharad Pawar said that in 3 to 6 months time the government will be changed, and they are trying for it. So there are many speculations which was made before also, that Mahavikas Aghadi having some difficulties inside, the netas are having some difficult time to think about the situation, what is going on. But today they had shown their strength. That's why I used the sentence that this was not the press conference, this was show of strength by Mahavikas Aghadi. Also, one sentence was used by Uddhav Thackeray, is that now Ram is free from Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the big statement, because before the Lok Sabha election, Bharatiya Janata Party has promoted Ram Mandir and tried to get vote on the name of Ram. So this statement was used by Uddhav Thackeray today, that Ram is now free from Bharatiya Janata Party. So there are major stuff which was said by Mahavikas Aghadi leaders today in this press conference, and now they had started working on Vidhan Sabha election. They had also said that they will also win the Vidhan Sabha election, as the performance which they have done in Lok Sabha elections, they will repeat that situation in Vidhan Sabha election. Also, Pawar Sahab also going out for a tour in many places in Maharashtra. Already the preparation for Vidhan Sabha has started for Mahavikas Aghadi. So this will be a very particular and a very important situation for Vidhan Sabha and for Mahavikas Aghadi.
All right. Thanks so much, Paras, for joining us with those details. So a show of strength, a show of unity by the MVA there in Maharashtra at a time when the Mahayuti, that's the NDA alliance, is set to be facing tension.